Hi guys, today I'm going to make mozzarella cheese at home and I'm going to show you how to do it steps by step. Here I have taken 1 liter of whole fat milk. You can take any milk but please don't take the skim milk. And now I'm adding it to the pot and just making it little warm. Like if you have the thermometer, it is like around 46 degrees Celsius. I'm going to remove it from the flame and I will add my quarter cup of vinegar to it and I will stir it well. It will start to curdle and the whey will be separated from the milk. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, share, comment and please hit the like button for the new upcoming videos. Now my first process has started. Now I'm going to cover it and set it aside for around 5 minutes. Please don't throw away the whey, it can be used for many things. So I'm going to keep it in the fridge and use it for my next recipe. Now I will use this whey for my second process also. Please see this video till the end to know how much efforts are needed to make the mozzarella cheese. But I find it worth because this is much creamier than what you get in the stores. Now it's almost 5 minutes and I will start to separate my cheese from the whey. I will either strain it with a muslin cloth or the strainer or even with the hands you can do. Please make sure that all the liquid has been removed from the cheese. I prefer to use the muslin cloth because it really helps me to put out all the water from the cheese. At this point we can use this as a cottage cheese, but I will keep it aside to make my mozzarella cheese. And now at this point I am going to make my whey hot like 80 degrees Celsius, and I will add my cheese ball into the whey and keep it inside that for around 3 minutes. And that is my second process. It has been now almost 3 minutes since the cheese ball is in the whey, and now I'm going to start the third process. I will take it in my hand and I will roll it and pull it, roll it and pull it till it gets the elastic texture. This takes around 10 minutes. I had to do my whey hot again because it got cold by the time my cheese got the elastic texture. So I had made my milk away hot 2 times. It is not that easy what other videos show. See, now it's nicely coming together. It is half done now. So I'm going to again roll it and pull it, roll it and pull it. This is the second time that I have made my whey hot, and now the whey is very hot to touch, so I'm waiting for 1 minute and now I'm starting with my process again. Guys, if you want to see any other recipes, please comment in my comment box and I will show the recipes. See, my cheese is now almost ready and I'm going to roll it to a round ball now. See the pull, how nicely it is getting pulled. I have not added salt to my cheese. If you want salt, you can add it to the whey when you make it hot and when you put the ball into the whey for this rolling and molding process. See, this is my final product. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please do share, comment, and please show your love by hitting the like button. Thank you very much. I put it in the cold water for it to set, and now I'm going to wrap it in the cling wrap, and I will keep it in the fridge to use next time. Thank you, friends.